To communicate information effectively, documents must focus on what the readers want rather than what you want to say. Therefore, you need to consider how the message should be structured to give the best chance of being read and understood. The body of the document provides the details for the reader in a logical framework that makes the message easy to read and scan. When planning your document, you need to present the information in one of a number of different but conventional patterns. The patterns could include inductive and deductive frameworks. When structuring, for example, a persuasive document using the inductive pattern, you move from the specific to the general. You announce the purpose of the document, then state the main proposition with the recommendation, and finally, you discuss the supporting arguments, options, or range of matters to be considered leading to the conclusions. Opposite to this, if you were to use the deductive pattern for the same persuasive document, you flip the structure. You start with the purpose, then introduce the general subject, then describe the specific details or facts separated into logical headings and subheadings, and then move to conclusions you draw from the details, and finally you write the recommendations based on the conclusions. Based on information you have about the reader and your preference, you need to decide which framework would work best for your document. Breaking these conventional patterns often hinders understanding. Presenting the information within such a framework is even more important when the subject matter is complex.